What's up, guys? So, 47. So, we are called keep solving the GRE math subject 937 form. So, basically, see some ellipse, which the major axis is 2a, and the major, a minor axis is 2b. So, you can view this as a ellipse. Okay. So, I ask you about x dy minus y dx. Okay, so this is famous question in the. Okay, so all we have is the green theorem. So p dx plus q dy equals to area q divided by partial x partial q partial p partial y and area. So this is partial q partial x. This is right. So partial p q is x. So partial q partial x is 1, and the partial p partial y. So p is minus y, right? Partial p partial y is minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is plus 1. And the area. So basically the answer is 2 area of the ellipse. So it's 2 pi AB. So this is the area. So the answer is C. The answer is C. Okay, that's it.